Hey friends, EA, the Spicy RD, and creator of all things easy, healthy, plant-forward, and delicious. And today I'm going to share a super refreshing summer drink with you that is packed with plant-based ingredients, and it is not a smoothie, but it's super easy to make. And this is the perfect thing when you have a lot of leftover veggies in your garden, in your fridge, you want to clean out, not let them go to waste. And so I'm going to show you how to make my super easy fresh veggie juice. So let's get started. Okay, so I have this recipe on my website, the Spicy RD website. I want to check it out. But you don't have to follow the recipe. We are just going to, again, use up what we have on hand. So today my inspiration is this cornucopia. Who says cornucopia? Cornucopia of fresh herbs. These were all grown in my lettuce grow vertical garden and my countertop garden. And I have some tomatoes. These were from my mother-in-law's garden. I have leftover a little bit of red onion. We'll just add a little bit of that. Some leftover lemon. I always have lemons in my kitchen. This little cute little cucumber that I actually grew in my lettuce grow garden as well. I have several more on the way. Oh yeah, and then last but not least, just a little bit of heat. This is some hot sauce left over from Mr. Spicy and I had dinner at Cotija Jr., our little local taco stand, the other night. This has got a lot of kick to it. You can also use a pepper, serrano, jalapeno, or if you don't like heat, just omit it. So we got that. So these are all the ingredients. And, oh, and I forgot, I may add a little bit of white balsamic vinegar, which adds just a hint of sweetness to it. And then we're gonna do a salt. I don't know if one needs salt with a hot sauce, but a little salt if needed, and then fresh ground black pepper, and that's it. And I also forgot to mention that in addition to the fresh herbs, of which I have basil, I have some parsley, and then also a little bit of thyme. I'm adding a little bit of watercress, which is a cruciferous vegetable similar to like a broccoli or a cauliflower, and cruciferous vegetables have been researched for their potential role in cancer prevention. It's also very rich in vitamin K, has some vitamin C and vitamin A, and just adds like a nice peppery taste to the juice. So we are ready to make the veggie juice, and I just did a little prep. I cut the tomatoes in half. I did peel the cucumber, cut it into 3 pieces. I just lightly chopped the onion. It's all going into a blender though, and just a little bit. And then I took the thick stems away from the herbs. So we are going to throw it all in the blender. And add our lemon juice, our fresh lemon juice in there. Work those muscles. And a little bit of the white balsamic. I'm just gonna start with a little splashy splash. And I will add a tiny bit of my hot sauce. Just a little bit, it's pretty potent. We will see, I'll do pepper. And then before I add any salt, I'm gonna blend it all and taste it. I wanna make sure we are not forgetting anything. No, we are not. So give me a minute, I will blend it and I'll be right back. All right, so, so there she is. I wish I could say it was really pretty. It's gonna be, if you add more tomatoes, less herbs, it's gonna be more orangey red color. This is a very kind of pukey kind of green, if I'm honest with you, but it's good. It's really refreshing. It does need a little salt. So I'm just gonna add that in there, and then we will blend and taste again. Okay, and a little more pepper. And it does have pretty good heat, but I will add, I think I want a little more heat today. So let's add a little more of this. And again, I'll be right back. All right, so she's good to go. I did add, while you weren't looking, I did add a little bit more of the white balsamic. Just felt like it needed a little more acid, but this is your recipe. You can create it, again, whatever veggies you have on hand. I've used zucchini before, I've used bell peppers. Just use what your own cornucopia of veggies. And again, lemon juice, white balsamic, any kind of seasonings. And we are gonna take this, pour it into a pretty glass. Gal's gotta drink out of a pretty glass, right? Pour it in there. Again, she's not that pretty, the drink, but oh my goodness, she is delicious and nutritious, and a great way to get more plants in your diet. So cheers.